I have fed her, changed her diaper, trying to burp her and put her to sleep. She finally slept. Ellie laid her down. I started tidying and cleaning the places that needed to. I washed her clothes but had not arranged them, so heading to do that. Also, though I pumped earlier.
Okay, so I started pumping already, and then right now I'm about to. Yeah, I'm about to tidy the kitchen. Right in here is a mess, so gotta tidy up ASAP. By the way, now this is something and I've forgotten. So first of all, I need to pack up all these dry plates like this. And I need to hurry up because I know this girl that has sleep. It won't last long. So I better hurry up. Yeah, I remember. Because I had to. I'm wearing the gown, so I have like to, if not pants. If I'm wearing under pants, you see my old. Okay. I'm down in the kitchen now, set up my bath, and I'm just resting, waiting for when she wakes up. So I clothes for the day. Ugh. It ain't easy. Just finished showering. Let me turn the camera. Go mess this water all over the floor. I need to clean after. Just finished feeding her with a bottle. I need to clean. My dog pumping and Yeah. Time to upload. Is it clear? Is it loose? Enough? Why was it doing one thing? So this is so. Wow. I just wanted to talk to you guys. Just welcome. You will not sleep. Eh? You will not sleep. You will not sleep. You're laughing because you know what you are doing. Eh? Sleep, Zara. Sleep. You want to do it afternoon? Sleep. Once it's afternoon like this, see her bed there. She'll not sleep in that bed. It's here. Eh? So I have to put you on my breast again before you sleep back. Only because I wanted to talk. Eh? Is that the deal? No. Okay, Diana. Can let me give you breast. This is the only way she's going to sleep. And I think I'm tired of vlogging. This is where I'm going to end this vlog. So I'm going to title it Spend a Half Day With Me because it's 2 p.m. and I started the vlog at 7 a.m. So yeah, so I'll say bye. Say bye. Yeah, it's anyway, bye everyone. Bye.